Good morning. We are here in my advanced starter house up in the mountains. Crystal clear little lake. Getting a morning swim and now gets back to work. I've just completed the building of the house, so I could sleep overnight in here. As you see, we have here some bees that might come along while being queen. So the queens will follow someone sooner or later. And yeah, actually I'm gonna build something over there. But now let's get started. Now for starters, for obvious reasons, you've seen them, the two sensors. So one is here, the sensor for the door, with 3 to 3 to 1. Well, that's one height, 3 width and 3 length. So we have just covered the closest area around the door. Now, since here all stuff is usually placed and just the way the doors required, and you can stand here to do all the stuff. So that's also why it's placed over there. And with this one we have the lights inside. So you see, if I step here, the lights didn't go out. Well, and it's just everyone. So I forgot to send them. Well, no, they're reset all the time because I've had to remove the lights so I could access all the numeric comparison gates. So that's why. Anyway, yeah, now when I'm being outside, we're having it dark. So that's so far. Now you might wonder, let's see for the liquid dispenser, and you might wonder how that's done. So you've seen we've had the numeric comparison gates, and obviously from the numeric plate we're going to each and every single numeric comparison gate, and then you start configuring them. Like here, going for N, so you see the input is keypad. You can just copy paste them and tab through all, so you don't have to actually draw the line there. To my taste, it's easier to press Control C, Control V, well, especially Control V afterwards. So yeah. Anyway, set to not equal comparison, first 1 to 1, and change here from event to value, and name it to what you want to place there. So I've named it liquid underscore water, so I have something meaningful, you know. So therefore I also know what I'm gonna place over here. So like the water, and likewise here I'm putting the mineral water, and yeah, on and so forth. And now for each and every numeric comparison gate, you go keypad not equal and raise the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and name it like liquid underscore corruption, lava, tar, molasses, bog, mineral, and yeah, I think that's about all of them. Right. And then as soon you've done them, now let's just repeat that. So you see how it's done then. So let's just place it. Oriented, great. So now just place the water, drag over, mark it as safe, and disable it with pressing F. To edit it, you press M. And then Now that we've done that, well, you go through all of the blocks, obviously, for each and every liquid, including lava. It's just the same. It's just going to be fast enough. Then send and open it. Great. Now, one little thing here. I've put it to auto reset because otherwise they will continue to flow even when pressing again the number. It just continues to flow. So you want to have it to something meaningful. I find 6 to be a good number. Gives you the most time to get the liquids, and this one will not overrun, so they all just disappear. So now, as everything is connected, let's have a look. And I'm pressing 1. And here's the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's gone. And by the number of 6, I think that was the lava, or not? No, that's corruption. That's mineral. Lava is 7. Let's go for lava. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's done, and here we have it. And the best of it, it all disappears. Yes, you're gonna have these two bubbles as a whole, but otherwise it'll disappear. Now, what an issue might be is with the corruption. So, we're getting here the corruption stuff down here. And yeah, obviously this will change the grass if you use it often enough. Now, just for the demonstration, it wasn't enough, as it seems. Let's do another one. Well, the point is, you can heal it with mineral water, so if you should ever get the stuff down there corrupted, simply throw some mineral water afterwards. This is just a demonstration effect. Previously I had it after like every running through, and now it won't happen. Anyway, so you see, this is all the magic. Let's just place the ceiling back. And yeah, well, yeah, great. Now I figure it, right? Oh, now, and this one too. And the issue is I need a new rewiring of this to this. And now it should work again. Yep. Nice. Yeah. And last but not least, we do have down out here, obviously for gardening. No worries, I'm just doing one. So let's start with this one. Make it to... Yeah, well, that's just the gardening, and just to be sure, well, actually, you have seen previously with the water, and this one's just the same, just with a little bit more. And almost done. Isn't this lovely? So 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Make it connect, and mark them all. No interact, save. And disable. Oh, well, never mind. Now they must be here, so they can actually grow, but it's saved. And yeah, now when they're grown, you just trigger the switch, collect all the green stuff, trigger the switch, and there you go. You'll have all the seeds planted back in. And now imagine this done with the lettuce, with the turnips, and yeah, with the melons and more wheat. So yeah, you have like 9 rows of food to grow. And with this said, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you to know how the wiring is done. But let's have a small look at night. This is the dark side. Oh right, these are missing. You're free to place more here or more best depending on how many people you are for the project. However, for the blueprint, I've just leave it to 2 because it's, well, it's nice. Anyway, yeah, this look at night. They're stuck up there. And yeah, I really like it. And be aware, well, mind you, you can change the materials used in the blueprint. So instead of the redwood wall, you could go for like, I don't know, either just limestone, basic, red canyon stone, or even dark luminite walls if you like. And likewise for the floor, you could just replace all the stone floors with grass if you don't have the materials, and then go straight for all the more important stuff like these ones. And well, you're gonna be using the obsidian. All the obsidian you get in this beginning for all the block phasers and all the magnetite. Oh god, you will be farming magnetite, but totally worth it. Once you have all these convenience, you will not want to miss it. I tell you that. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked. Hope you know now how to wire them all. And yeah, come visit my world, Port Portier. And yeah, I'll give you a tour there in the large area. And with this said, thanks for watching and have a good time.